Hi guys, remember in part 1 I say I will spy on them? Today I will swap. Oh, we found bicycle. So, wait. Oh, I stupid. He locked the door. Are you seriously kidding me? Okay. Oh, I could just crack it. Nice. Question mark. Okay, what did he say? Okay. I don't know how to do it, so I'm just gonna go up. Whatever. Bro, that's impossible. Bro, what is this guy doing? I'm gonna leave as a student. I'm gonna now. Whoa. But I see. Yeah, that plan didn't go well. I just gotta have a disguise. Disguise. Ooh, wait, what? 要不要一個 U 嘅？
因為你識整個 YouTube 拍片上去壓拉啊嘛。
係啊，係 upload。
壓拉啊？
係 upload 啊。
阿樂開下新聞睇下有咩新聞睇。哇！嗰日喺個耳仔度撩下撩嚿好似鼻涕嗰啲咁嘅嘢出嚟，成嚿。
咁咪真係龍咯。
係啊，龍。我就知龍啦。
Oh my god！
中意鹽啊？點解會無啦啦有龍嘅？你係咪嗰啲水？你係咪沖涼嗰陣時候啲水成日流入你隻耳仔度啊
？How what？
我覺得應該係咯。
I need a sign. How do I write? Oh, I think. Oh, sign. I got sign, man. Oh, you punch me, man. Be careful, just by your. No, wait. Okay. Oh, he died. Nice. Okay, nice. What do I do? It's impossible. Oh, nice. Yeah, never mind. Bro, whoa, that's impossible. Oh, yes.
因為可以用隻耳仔谷咧，用個鼻咧谷晒，谷到呢處有啲咩出嚟。你要唔要食下手？要唔要？要啊！攞個碗好嗎？攞個碗攞到。
列車南下第2階段由年年底實施，政府預計可以吸引高消費內地居民來港。商界話需要諗方法留低北南過夜，提高經濟。
點解啊？
住喺珠海嘅 Watson 搭過後揸車嚟香港玩，去到商場
Nearly
就使
on
咗
top
約
of the.
100蚊港紙去門口。
Oh my god. Serious? I saw that. Wait, what is it? Wait.
呢日買嘢食飯加埋隧道費等等，總共使咗40